guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing, sending positive vibes like always. So today I will be unboxing Merit Beauty and we're going to be doing a first impression. I have the box here. I am so excited to show you each and every product. So let's begin. So as I unbox this, I do want to give you guys information about Merit because honestly, it's a brand that really caught my eye. And I'm pretty sure as soon as I explain it to you guys, if you don't know who they are, I'm pretty sure you're going to be into it too. So Merit is a clean brand. They're actually sold at Sephora, which I think is super cool. And they are paraben free, sulfate free, artificial fragrance free, sensitive skin safe, cruelty free, vegan. Their packaging is recyclable, which is really cool. And they also have a makeup bag, which I will be showing you in a second, and it's reusable. So you can go ahead and throw it in the wash and keep using it. It's really pretty, by the way. I'll show you in a second. This brand really caught my eye because they're all about minimalist beauty and they talk about less is more. And if you have been seeing my videos for a while, I'm always talking about, I like my skin to look like skin. I like my skin to breathe. If I wear something, it's going to be something minimal. And I want my skin to look like actual skin and to actually look like me. And I have been into that a lot lately. And you'll see why I'm obsessed in a couple of minutes. You'll see everything. You'll see why. But honestly, I'm very excited to show you everything that's in this box. I do have a piece of information about Merit that I want to share with you guys. And honestly, when I read this, it warmed my heart so much. It made me smile when I read this, and I do want to share it with you guys. So I will be throwing it on the screen for you guys. You can go ahead and pause it and read it all, but I will give you a summary of what I am reading to you guys right now. So with the social impact of COVID-19 pandemic, there are more children living in poverty than before. So Merit volunteers, donates, and supports Baby to Baby, which is a nonprofit organization that provides children in poverty across the U.S. with diapers, clothing, and basic necessities. So at the checkout, you are able to donate to Baby along your order. And I was reading a little bit more about this movement, and they have raised $8.5 million for Baby to Baby and the children that they serve across the country. Isn't that amazing, guys? Like, they have already donated more than 20 million diapers to family across the world or the US due to COVID-19. When a brand does things like this, it makes me love the brand even more. Like, I feel there's a lot of brands out there that don't do anything for anyone, and when I find a brand that, first of all, I like their products, second, they do something for the world, that's like a win in my book. So when I read this, I was like, oh my God, this is so amazing. Like, there's no words that could describe how I felt when I read it, guys. Like, huge applause to them because there's not a lot of brands that do that. So now let's get to the good part, guys. Let me show you the unboxing. So let's start off with the shade Slick. It is a tinted lip oil. I have the color Cara Cara or Cara Cara. I think this color is stunning, and as you're gonna see in the swatch, it is literally beautiful. It is so pigmented, and I cannot wait for you guys to see this on the lips. The second product I have is the Minimalist, which is a perfecting complexion stick. I have the color Bisque, and it's so beautiful. I cannot get over how beautiful the packaging is and the product itself. The next product I'm going to show you is the Flush Balm, which is a cheek color. I do have the tone Raspberry Beret. Oh my god, this color is everything. I cannot wait to use it on my lips and on my cheeks, even on my eyes. Next is the Day Glow, which is a highlighting balm. I have the color Cava, and wait until you see this color swatched. It is literally perfection. Next, we do have the Brow 1980, which is a volumizing pomade. I do have the color brown. And again, I am obsessed with the packaging. Everything looks so sleek, minimal, and I love that every single product has a lot of colors to choose from. And last but not least, I have the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara in the color Perfect Black. You guys know how much I love mascara, so I cannot wait to see how this performs. I'm going to be trying everything on, and I'm really excited about this part, guys, because I have been wanting to try this on since it got here. So right now, what I have on my face, let me show you the moisturizer that I have on. This is from Make More. It's a facial moisturizing balm in a gel form. I really like this stuff. This is what it looks like inside. I've been using this for about 2 months, and my face feels amazing. It feels super hydrated. So I really like this stuff. And also I am going to be applying some concealer. This is from Huda Beauty. It's the Overachiever Concealer in Coconut Flakes. I always rave about this concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some under my eyes. I'm not going to be applying a lot. Okay, I'm going to leave that a little bit under my eyes, and I'm going to move to the foundation stick, which is so pretty. I'm just going to apply it all over my skin. I'm actually gonna do half of my face, and then I'll move to the other half just to see how it looks on my skin. I'm going to use a brush like this and just tap it in. It's literally blending in really nice. I didn't think this was going to be my color actually, but it's looking really nice on my skin. I like how it's looking like second skin, which is what I really have been loving right now. Okay, so this is one side done, and this is the other. Like, isn't that crazy? So I'm going to go ahead and pat in my concealer with a smaller brush. I love how everything is blending literally into my skin. I'll come close in a second so you guys could actually see it. Oh my god, I'm impressed with this color. Like I said, I didn't think it was going to like actually look good on my skin. I thought it was going to be too dark, but it's actually really nice. Oh, this looks really beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side in fast mode. So I'm going to come close so you guys could actually see the foundation. It looks so beautiful. I love how there's a glow to my skin. Like, I am obsessed with glow. I love glowy skin, radiant skin. It's just right up my alley. And can you see this glow on my skin? This is perfection to me. Like, Oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm going to move on. What should I do? I get so excited when I have new products that I just don't know what to use next. I think I'm going to use the cheek color. I'm obsessed with this color, okay? As soon as I swatched it, I'm like, yes, this looks beautiful. So I think I'm going to apply it here. Okay, I'm going to apply that much. And again, I'm going to use the same brush to blend it out. Can you see how easy this blends? Like, it's crazy to me how easy this blends. This is really pretty. I really like this. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I've been into blush lately. Oh my god. This is really beautiful. Can you see how I had a lot of product and it actually blends out really, really nice on the cheeks? Let me come close. I love a like softer cheek, as in, you know, blush before and after. Let me do this side. This color is everything. You know what? I would actually use this on my lips as well. I love to use cream products on my lips and on my eyes. I think it's a really cool way to use products in different ways. So if you guys are into that, and if you want to try it out, of course, go ahead and do so, because I have been obsessing doing that. I love how this looks. Like, I love how this looks. Let me add a little more right there. Why not? Why not? It's like a sun-kissed glow. There we go. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I will be probably saying that throughout the whole video, but I just can't help myself. I'm going to continue with this one. I'm really excited about this one. This is the Cava Highlighting Balm. So I'm going to apply some right here. Oh my god, can you see that? Okay, so I'm just gonna tap it in, work it in with my fingers. That is stunning. That is stunning. Like, you see a little glow here, but wait, let me put this on so you can see. Can you see the immediate glow? I love this. I love this. This looks really beautiful. I'm actually going to take some on my finger and I'm going to apply some in my inner corner. You guys know that I love to do that. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I'm loving this. I've been liking all the products. This is crazy. Okay, I'm going to move on to brows. Oh my god, my skin is looking really good. Really, really nice. So I'm going to do my brows now. And let's see how my brows look. That's cute. I like it. It gives like a little hint of color, which I really like if I'm not doing like a full face and I just want something like super simple on my brows. That's really nice. That's really, really nice. Like, the difference in between when I didn't do my eyebrows and right now, I love the effect that it gives. It's something super soft and like you didn't really try. You know what I mean? So the next product is the mascara. You guys know how much I love mascara. I'm obsessed with mascara. I love how mascara smells. Maybe that's a little weird, but I really like it. So let's see how this works. That's really pretty. Like, the difference in between my lashes with nothing and with it on. Isn't that crazy? This is a really nice mascara. It glides on literally on your lashes. And it makes your lashes look really nice. Very, very impressive. I do want to go ahead and set under my eyes. This is something I always do no matter what kind of makeup I have on. So I'm going to use the I Am Magic setting powder from Juvia's Place in White Sands. And I'm using a really small amount. And I literally just go right there. and over here. And around my mouth. These are typically the only places that I actually set a little bit around my T-zone, on my T-zone, and under my eyes. Those are usually the places that get a little oily, nothing crazy, but I just want to make sure that it doesn't get super oily throughout the day. Now that I have set under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I really like this mascara, guys. It's really pretty. And I love how it literally just glides on my lashes. I am definitely going to be telling my sisters and my mom about all these products because they like the minimalistic makeup. Minimal makeup is right up their alley, and I know they're going to love these products. Like, my lashes look so good. They look so good. Okay, now to close everything out, the lip. I am so excited to use this. It's such a beautiful component. First of all, it looks so elegant. I love it. And the color, I cannot wait to put this on. Can we talk about being pigmented? Oh my god, this is super pigmented. It literally just glides on, and I love that. I haven't even went in to the bottle yet, and I'm about to do my whole lip. That is beautiful. I'm going to add some more because why not? The more you add, the more the color appears. And you guys know I love a glossy lip. And this is the final look. I'll come closer so you guys can see everything up close. As you can see, my skin still looks like skin. I still see my freckles, which I am obsessed with my freckles. I don't know if you guys know that about me. I love that you could still see my skin. It's like really minimal makeup. I'm obsessed. Like, I like every single product. The mascara, oh my god, that's my new baby right there. I cannot wait to keep using this. You guys know how obsessed I am with mascara. Everything. I'm obsessed with everything. This, I cannot wait to use it on my lips, on my cheeks, and on my eyes. I will probably get a video up for you guys using this in different ways, which I'm super excited about that. And this, it's beautiful. I cannot get over how beautiful this is. This is so, first of all, it's easy to work with. Everything is super easy to work with, as you saw, and this is like a natural glow. This is the kind of glow that I like. I don't like that like super heavy in your face kind of glow. This is the kind of glow that I like, and that's what I have literally on. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with everything. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything, or you just want to check the brand out, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below for you guys. Everything from every product that I used, every single link, and if you want to check them out, go ahead and do so. I know you will not regret it. I'm obsessed. I'm sorry, I keep saying I'm obsessed. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. I literally ran to my bathroom to look at myself. It's beautiful. Like, I like everything. Thank you so much, Marriott Beauty, for sending me these products. I am obsessed with your products, and I cannot wait to use more of your brand. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to do so. As soon as I hit the 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and you do not want to miss that. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.